everybody, welcome back. We are going to do a double Dutch pour today. So the double Dutch, remember, is we are going to do, of course, a Dutch pour, and we are going to blow the paint, and then we are going to do another layer and do another layer of blowing the paint. So our paints are a thinner mixture today. I'm going to tell you the colors, and then I will tell you the mixture ratio. This is an 18 by 24 level 1 Artist Loft canvas. It has been prepped with the DecoArt Americana Snow Titanium White. And put that over there. So our colors today, of course, are the Snow Titanium White is our white. And that one was 8 ounces of my pouring medium mixture. So I'm using my pouring medium today. So 8 ounces of my pouring medium, 2 ounces of paint, and 1 ounce of water for our white. The link to the pouring medium mixture video is down in the description if you wanted to look at it. We also have the Behr. This one is Tropics. And that was 3 ounces of pouring medium, 1 ounce of paint, and 0.5 ounces of water. We have the DecoArt Americana Primary Blue. This one was 3 ounces of pouring medium, 1 ounce of paint, and 0.5 ounces of water. We have the Glidden. This one is Fresh Tangerine. 3 ounces of pouring medium, 1 ounce of paint, 1 ounce of water because this one is extremely thick. DecoArt Media Fluid Acrylics Pyrrole Red. 3 ounces of pouring medium, 1 ounce of the Pyrrole Red, and that's it. Because this is already a liquid, we don't need to add water to it. And then we have the DecoArt Americana Outdoor Living Gold. And that one was 3 ounces of pouring medium, 1 ounce of paint, and 1 ounce of water. Because this is a thicker paint, we had to add more water. Alrighty, so those are all of the mixture ratios. Again, we are going to do a double Dutch pour. And when you're doing a Dutch pour, a double Dutch or just a regular single Dutch pour, you do want your paints to have a very, very thin consistency. So it should fall directly into the cup. Shouldn't really form any mounds or any of that kind of stuff. I like to say it should have the consistency of whole milk. Just nice and thin, and so we can get good movement. All right, we are going to go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to leave it just like that and let it dry. I did have to tilt some of it off because we did have too much paint on the canvas. But I also tilted because I wanted this, all of this stuff here, all these cells and everything that have been developed and all this lacing, I wanted it to stretch so we could get this effect. So this is exactly what I was going for. We did have a little too much paint, but that's okay. I'll put it in my containers and I can always use it for something else. I could actually make some jewelry, but I don't think I have any blanks available right now, so that's fine. But this is exactly what I was going for. So we are going to leave it right here, and once it dries, we will come back and get it all sealed. See y'all soon. Hi everybody, we're back. I think this dried beautifully. I just brought it inside. I have put a couple of coats of the Krylon spray lacquer on it. Link is down in the description. And we are going to put on our first coat of the Minwax Polycrylic. I will probably do 3 or 4 coats. We are just going to do one together and then we're going to wrap up this video. But we're using the Minwax water-based polycrylic, the clear gloss. I get it at Lowe's. That I've also put a link down in the description of where you can purchase it on Amazon, as well as the Krylon spray lacquer if you don't have a Lowe's in your area. We are using the All Paints and Stains Trilon Filament Soft Bristle Brush. This is a 2.5-inch oval sash. So the oval means that it actually has an oval shape to it, and I think it fits better, and I like the way it feels better in my hand. We are going to seal it with the direction of the paint. And like I said, I'm probably going to do 3 or 4 coats, but we're only going to do one together. And that's it. So we're going to go ahead and get these coats on. Multiple thin coats. All right, and that's it. So that's the first coat. I'll probably put 3 or 4, but we are going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section, and I will do my best to get back to you. Down in the description, all of the paint colors used, as well as mixture ratios and anything else that you need that I used today. Also in the description, links to my Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, as well as my website, guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. Stay tuned at the end of the video for the up-close macro shots. I will also be using some of those macro shots to make other items like cell phone cases and pillows and all that kind of stuff. So look for the links down in the description for Redbubble and Teespring of where you can find those items. So again, thank you very much for watching. I will put a link down in the description for whenever I put this one on my website. I hope everybody has a wonderful and blessed day. And as always, God bless.